The factory Toyota audio system is junk. It does sound good, but we can make it sound a whole lot better. Let me explain. I know you guys in the audio world mainly want to replace the speakers first when you first get the vehicle, but trust me, you don't need to. The factory speakers are actually built a whole lot better than you think. It just needs to be tuned properly. So installing our Encore X DSP amplifier from Beatsonic includes our factory built tune, which means that it is specifically tuned for your vehicle with the factory speakers. Let's just stop yapping and get it installed. Alrighty, now that we're inside the vehicle, make sure you guys have a thick blanket or towel on hand as well. But first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove this thin black piece here. You can kind of just pull on the corners here. Okay, they're just being held in by clips. Just be very careful when you do this because piano black is very, very sensitive to scratches. Next, let's go ahead and remove this climate control panel here. Grab a plastic panel removal tool. You can kind of come in just from like one side, pull on it. You should be able to kind of follow along the rest. Remove this one connector here. And next, let's just go ahead and pull on these vents here. Okay, it's just being held in by clips, and remove this connector. And next, you will grab a 10mm socket and ratchet, and it's gonna be 2 on each side that we will need to remove. One kind of straight like this, and the other one's kind of facing up. Now that those have been removed, let's just go ahead and pull out the head unit straight towards you, okay? And we're gonna remove this brown connection here and this black connection here. And the 2 connectors we're gonna be working with are always gonna be the 2 bottom right connectors, which is this speaker harness here, and then this gray harness here. Alrighty, and here is our Encore X DSP plug and play amplifier, and inside you'll have the actual DSP itself and the plug and play wiring harness and the additional USB. What this basically does is allow you to connect to the DSP here, and you'll connect it to a external Windows computer, and that way you can go ahead and fully customize your DSP according to your own liking. Just know that the Encore X DSP does come pre-tuned from Beatsonic for your factory speakers. This keeps in mind that the sound staging is now in the driver's seat, so most of the sound in your vehicle is now catered to you in the driver's seat. It may or may not sound good with aftermarket speakers, so you'll kind of need to just plug them in, see how it sounds, and if more refining is needed and tuning is needed, I recommend getting it done by either a professional or yourself. Just plug it in here, have a computer in here, listen to your music, and feel free to tune everything like that on your laptop. One thing I do want to mention as well, it does have RCA outputs for a subwoofer as well as an additional amp. So it does have a remote out on the plug and play wiring harness for your additional amp or subwoofer. And just feel free to tap into this. So let's go ahead and work with our plug and play connector. And this white one here goes into this gray. And make sure when you push these in, it goes in completely straight, not at an angle or anything, because these pins all in here are very, very sensitive and you don't want to bend these or damage these at all. And this side goes to the radio, and then this black connector here will connect to the black factory connector. And this side will connect back to the factory radio. Just make sure you guys always hear a click when you guys push it in. Next, with this wiring harness here, we are going to be mounting the ENX underneath the passenger seat here. There's plenty of room, and we're going to be routing this all the way behind here, all the way down to the passenger footwell side, okay? Before we do that, let's go ahead and remove the plastic panels in the way. And it's very, very easy. Just kind of pull on it, just being held in by clips. If you guys don't have one, make sure you guys have one of these claw grabber tools. That's what we'll be using. So we are going to be sticking this straight up. I'm gonna sit in the passenger seat while I do this, so that way I can kind of see where this is going. Next, we will carefully route this down there, and I'm just gonna pull, route it all the way down there. And then from here, we will route this, kind of tuck it in right here, run it all alongside here. Next, we'll go ahead and grab our ENX DSP amplifier, plug in the connection here. We are going to be mounting this right here on the side. The customer does want to go ahead and still tune the DSP himself, so we're gonna put some Velcro tape here and just kind of have it hanging out like here. Alrighty, it's Velcroed here, nice and secure. And we'll go ahead and put this plastic piece back. And again, this is mainly because the customer still wants access to the DSP, so that way he can go ahead and try and tune it himself later when he does get aftermarket speakers. But you can try and put it right here where this carpet is here, but the customer doesn't want it there because he's still keeping this aftermarket floor mat in. But it should be carpet, and there's gonna be plenty of space here to go ahead and additionally mount the ENX DSP amplifier. Same way, just with some Velcro tape. And all that's left to do is to go ahead and tidy up our wiring harnesses back here. Plug back in the brown, the black connector, and we will carefully tuck away everything. Give it a good firm push. Let's go ahead and put the 10mm bolts back in. We'll put back the climate control panel and the vents. Climate control panel, push in. And we'll put the panel piece on the bottom here back in. Alrighty, so since our ENX DSP is now installed, let's go ahead and return to the factory Toyota sound settings. And you want to make sure you have these settings on all of your audio settings, okay? This is how the ENX was tuned, so you want the exact same settings that we have. Okay, so you'll go into your factory Toyota settings, sound and media, auto sound levelizer, make sure this is off, okay? And then you go into sound tuning, and you want to recenter your fader, as well as resetting your EQ back to default to get the true Encore X DSP tune that we've provided for you. And that's it. That completes our easy step-by-step installation of our Encore X DSP amplifier in this Toyota Corolla without JBL. Let's go ahead and listen to the difference. And just like that, I just showed you guys how it's done. I'm bumping to some music, you're bumping with me, and no need to replace the factory speakers. They're actually built a whole lot better than you really think. It just needs to be tuned properly, guys. So install our DSP amplifier, let us know in the comments how you guys like it, and we'll see you guys next time.